Hi everyone, Chris here. I am here to do a review on the DJI Action 2 remote control extension rod. Those of you that use the Action 2 like I do for flying, for filming, for doing tutorials, for vlogging, it doesn't matter what you do with the Action 2. If you use it at Comic-Cons to give tours and stuff like that, like I do too, well, this is going to be useful for you. Now the legs are rubber coated and they feel very, very, very nice. And not only that, it is very comfortable when you have it in your hand. And so we also have a 16.5 meter length. If you pull out extension on this, it goes to maximum 37.8 centimeters. So it does feel very firm when you pull this up to use it. And not only that, like I said, this is like a tripod, so you could set it down, put it in front of you, and go to town with vlogging, making something great. So we will move on to the remote. It's super lightweight. Joystick right here that you could choose different parts to film with, such as pictures, and you could do other modes as well on here, and it's great to have. I'm also here to do a review on the Rode wireless Go mic, and not only that, all you have to do is push record. Let's switch over to the Action 2 camera. On the DJI Action 2 remote control extension rod, and this is great to have, and it really comes in handy when you're filming in the process. So overall, this works very, very well for those of you that are serious about filming out there. And the Rode VideoMic Me C directional microphone for the Action 2, or even for your GoPro too. Let me know what you guys think of the sound quality as well. This is used for when you want to do vlogs, or when you want to sit at a panel at a Comic-Con, or if you're doing an interview, you could use this as well. And the sound is magnificent, it's great, and I will put a link down on the description down below to where you guys can get this microphone. So this has been my review of the remote extension rod, and it comes with the little controller as well, and this really does help, and it does come in handy. Thank you guys for tuning in very, very much. Have a great one, and bye for now.